Cancun. Now it's our sixth day in Cancun. Very good. The sunshine is there. Yan. Good morning, Cancun. Sixth day. It's a nice weather today, guys. It's really nice weather. Wow. Look at the water. Good morning, Cancun. Sixth day in Cancun. Look at the weather, guys. The sunrise. Look at that. Now we have another adventure. We have a tour going to Estamos Harris. That's why we didn't walk today. Walking in the weather. The sunshine. Wow. It's really good, huh? You and the water, so green. Very green. Nice weather. And we are going to Estamos Harris today. Up in the sky. Walking sila. Guys, it's the sixth day in Cancun. Just I want to remind you guys, someone have my Facebook, please. If I have a message from Gina Arjolo, it's not me. Someone have my account. Okay guys, thank you. Hello guys, it's me again. Just I want to remind you guys, if Someone sent a message from Tina Archolo. It's not me. It's someone hacked my account. Okay guys, thank you. Alis kami. Punta kami ng Isla Mujeres. Okay guys, thank you. Just I want to remind to everybody. Okay guys, thank you. Just I want to remind to everybody is Tina Archolo. If someone send you a message from Tina Archolo or Tina Archolo, it's me, but someone hacked my account guys. Don't reply any message from Tina Archolo. Okay guys, someone hacked my account, please and thank you. Okay guys, it's me, Gina. If someone send you a message from Gina Archolo, it's not me. Someone hacked my account. Please don't reply. Thank you so much. Okay guys, alis na. Alis na kami kasi baka maiwan ko yung bus. We are going to Isla Mujeres. Ayan, hindi ka kasi sumama. Hindi ka kasi sumama. Puno na. Upo na.
I don't know. And then back to
What part of Philippines you're going?
Singapore.
In what part of Philippines you're going?
No idea.
Everywhere?
Darling, where parts of the Philippines are we going?
Which part? It's okay. Oh my goodness.
We are from Ottawa.
Ottawa. My wife was
It's your home. Oh, so why are you going to Toronto?
I like Toronto better. I like the weather better, thanks.
Oh, we don't like Toronto because people there
Crowded.
they are wake up 24 hours.
We live in Pickering, which is just
Ottawa is quiet, like they are always smiling.
government. That's why.
Yeah.
No, the French in a recession in Ottawa.
Yeah.
I live there.
So from Hong Kong to Philippines and then Singapore?
We used to fly into Singapore. So we go from.
Oh, you're going around the world.
There you go. There's the map of where we're going.
Oh, maybe this one is
Oh, we in
at the
Philippines?
Passion Island.
No.
Oh, what is
Half the
this?
names I can't even.
Oh, Oh, you're going Hong Kong, mainland, and
Fly home
going.
from Hong Kong.
This is Hong Kong. Going to Bangkok, Singapore.
Singapore.
Wow.
Yeah.
You tour all Asia.
Yeah. That's what we do.
It's good, we hope we are retired also, and then we can do like what you're going all Asia, huh?
Yeah. We did all Japan in April. And we have friends in Japan.
Japan?
We
Wow.
did all of Japan in April. 55 days.
And it's your,
No, it's my granddaughter.
yeah, but he's going with you.
Oh no.
Oh.
She's a firefighter. She's going to college, firefighting college.
Oh. So you're gonna climb to the ladder to do the fire?
Yeah, no, so it's, and I've got to get 4 visas when I get home, visitor visas. Just stressing me out. I can get them done before I
This
because
is
Australia,
where
in
we
Australia
live.
again. Australia's only good for
that
a
one is
year.
Toronto.
We were in New
This is
Zealand, Australia.
Oh, just close to the shore too.
My best friends in Australia,
say
so we
my
did all of
cottage is
Wow, you're
Australia.
going all over
on my,
And Tom's
the
just
world. You're
I can
traveling.
look out the window and see my
It's the only
boat.
way we can
Oh
travel
my
now.
God.
Yeah,
You're a
it's
rich
time
man.
travel now.
Cruises.
Rich man.
Yeah, I like it. It's our thing.
The condo was built in
Oh, you're
West to
72.
Alaska.
living in a
Oh.
condo.
Yeah, we did Alaska.
And you
with,
have a
So now you are thrilled coming.
And you have a cottage?
She's on reading week.
My cottage. This is my cottage.
Wow.
Oh my
I
goodness.
can see my cottage from my condo.
Yeah.
So you sit with the millionaire.
Yeah, I
You need to touch him.
Don't talk to me. I don't know. He is my.
We go on spending kids' inheritance.
Oh.
This is inside the boat.
That's why all the people like where I'm working, I work in the
Kids
Private
side.
hospital.
in the 9th floor or in the
No,
hospital.
in the hospital.
Oh,
Kelly
because
West.
9th floor they have something to surgery
Oh,
like
yeah,
that.
no, that's not the same. That's not surgery. That's just Botox. and
Yeah.
stuff like that. No, she
Oh,
was
so
at
you come here
Galena.
for the surgery.
Yeah, plastic surgery. It's a plastic surgery hospital. in
So
the
maybe
Galena.
when your mom come out, you don't know it's you.
Oh yeah, she.
Yeah, because change everything, and
Yeah.
she's say 60
Yeah,
already.
oh, yeah. 60. She's only 47.
Oh. So when she come out in the hospital, you don't know she because she's more sexy and more beautiful, right? She get the plastic surgery for her mom.